Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today our group will be present the chapter 1, subtopic of chapter 1, which is 1.4, current technologies, issue and limitation. So
You ada
next.
tekan present ke? Ada tekan present tak?
Huh?
Present.
Uh,
Tekan present kat tu. Sekali.
So, ada kan saya present? Nampak tak?
Nampak skrin je. Tekan present tu. Atas tu, sebelah share.
Dah.
Nampak tak?
Ada
Sebelah
tak
kanan
saya?
atas. Present.
Saya dah rasa dah present dah.
Oh, tapi tak nampak ah.
Oh, lama. Kejap
Macam tak present pun okay. Share screen lah, share screen.
Ada saya.
Dia tak jadi present. Tekan sekali, tekan present.
Dah.
Besarkan slide tu, tekan present kat situ.
tu yang ada button present tepi share tu.
Ha, tu ha.
Oh.
Oh, tak tekan lagi. Tekan present. Ungu. Oh, wah.
Okay.
Okay, so our group will be present subtopic of chapter 1, which is 1.4, current technology. So 5G is the 5th generation of cellular networks. With this, 5G has enhanced connectivity speeds, minimal latency, and expanded bandwidth to improve the daily experience.
Okay. What's made the 5G so different? There are three key factors why. The first one, the 5G runs on the same radio frequency as the Wi-Fi, which enable high-speed experience for users, and the technology can be expanded further. Secondly, it is revolutionary. Based from Ookla.com, when compared to the previous generation, 4G LTE, the 5G is 5 times faster, which can reach 10 gigabits per second and about 238 times faster than 3.5G or HSPA. Last but not least, with this kind of speed, the 5G technology enables users to able to complete download full HD movies in seconds without experiencing buffering in streaming, etc. Next, for the 5G evolution, I will pass on to Faria.
Okay, 5G evolution. In 1980, 1G, mobile voice call, defined by briefcase size phone and short conversation between a relatively small number of professional people. In 1990, 2G, mobile voice call and SMS. The demand for mobile services grew and never slowed down, and SMS service was introduced here. 3G, in 2000, mobile web browsing dominated by pocket sizes phone, video call and mobile internet access. In 2010, 4G, mobile video consumption and higher data speed, smartphone, app store and YouTube were introduced. In 2020, 5G technology to enhance experience and drive digitization of industries, enabling new use cases like connected vehicles, augmented reality and enhanced video and gaming. Next, I will pass to sorry.
Okay.
Ni.
What is 5G capable of? Firstly is for advancing societies. So there's a bunch of advancing societies that we can get from 5G capabilities. So first is smarter grids, which is 5G helps create smarter electricity grids. Second, safer roads with connected vehicles, which is like share data to prevent accident in real time. Third is quicker emergency response. 5G enable faster deployment of emergency services to accident sites, potentially saving lives. Next is early disaster detection, which is 5G can detect natural disasters early, allowing for timely evacuation and mitigation efforts to minimize damage and casualties. Next is drones for faster emergency response that can support emergency response efforts by providing rapid aerial surveillance and delivering medical. Next is remote healthcare access. 5G allows remote healthcare delivery, enabling specialists to consult and diagnose patients from a distance, improving access to healthcare and particularly in remote areas. Second is transforming industries. 5G capabilities can adaptive production line, which is we can automatically to change in demand, making manufacturing more flexible and efficient. Next is early machinery warning system. 5G can detect machinery faults early, reducing downtime and maintenance of cost in industries. Next is smart logistic. With 5G, we can route good efficient based on real-time condition and speeding up deliveries for logistic things. Next is item traceability. With 5G, we can track our individual item in warehouse and ports, improving inventory management and supply chain. Next, remote control for safety. 5G can enable remote control of robots and vehicles in any sequences and environment. IoT in agriculture. 5G support IoT applications in agriculture, optimizing crop management for better use. Lastly, the third one is elevating experiences. First, immersive technology that 5G can enable more realistic virtual experiences like VR, AR, and XR. Next is engaging learning. With 5G, we can immersive content makes learning more exciting. Third, better virtual meetings. With 5G, we can support immersive virtual meetings like Teams, Google Meet, and etc. Next is enhance event experience. With 5G, event we can become more dynamic and interactive and offering new angle and experience. Next is lighter devices, greater realism. 5G allows lighter devices, enhancing realism in immersive experiences and facilitating sensory. Lastly, dynamic interaction. With 5G, we can enable dynamic interaction in entertainment and making experiences more engaging. Next, I will pass to Kira.
Assalamualaikum. This figure, the GMS graph, figure 1, mobile subscription by technology, highlight global mobile subscription trend from 2050-2026, excluding IoT connection. It shows a significant surge in 5G subscription expected to reach 3.5 billion by 2026, signaling a shift away from older technology like GMS H. Next figure, which is figure 4, mobile subscription by region and technology. This depicts global trend from 2020 and 2029, excluding technologies with less than 100% market share. It highlights a rise in subscription across regions, led by LTE, 4G, and 3G, with decline in GMS H, only 2G subscription. Next, I will pass to PT.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Priti Shakira. I will briefly explain about Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 is also known as 802.11ax, which offers improvement over the current 802.11ac Wi-Fi 5. The reasons of upgrading to Wi-Fi 6 are faster throughput, better battery life, and less bandwidth congestion. Next, the goals of Wi-Fi 6 are relieve network congestion, provide greater client capacity, and reduce client power consumption. Wi-Fi 6 uses OFDMA modulation that allows up to 30 clients to share channels simultaneously, which helps in reducing latency and improving efficiency. It also allows a router to assign channels to each device based on when it needs it most. Next. Wi-Fi 6 uses target wake time (TWT) that allows devices to determine when they will normally wake up to start sending and receiving data. Thus, this extends the battery life of mobile devices as well as battery-powered smart home devices. Wi-Fi 6 takes advantage of previously unused radio frequencies to provide faster 2.4 GHz performance and uses refined bandwidth management to provide quality of service options. Lastly, it offers 8-stream uplink and downlink multi-user multiple input, multiple output that streams data simultaneously, allowing more equitable sharing bandwidth among clients. That's all from us. Thank you so much.
All right, I'd like to open the discussion. Have everyone have a question? Ada tak? Semua nak apa, nak tunggu buka puasa kot kan. Okey, kalau ada soalan nanti kita tulis dalam WhatsApp lah. Right, ataupun waktu lecture nanti. Okay, thank you.